It's a beautiful day in St. Anthony's. So of course, we've got a cooler packed. Miles, Jonathan, we got a whole slew. It's time to go ride.
What's up, guys? Man, I haven't really vlogged much. We've been here for 2.5 days already, 3 or something like that. Dropped the motorhome off. There's so much craziness happening. I don't even know what I said yesterday when we went out for a ride. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this video. We've been in a helicopter. We've been to the top of the dunes. We've been to the bottom of the dunes. It's just been crazy. And I'm gonna introduce you guys to this cool kid that's with us. And I'm gonna tell you a crazy story about him. This is worthy of watching the story about him, so stay tuned for that. We got Chance's son over there, Miles. They're just playing with the dump truck, having a blast. We got Ashley and Dave.
Ashley out of gas.
Ashley out of gas. Ash gas. So, apparently when you have a lot of horsepower, a lot of ponies under the hood equals less fuel economy. Who would have thought? I wouldn't have thought. Did you think that?
I knew that.
You knew that.
I knew that.
But you pressed the gas pedal anyway.
I did.
Asshole. Jesus.
I figured you would just tell me that.
Yeah, that's, oh, there you go. You're going to tell her back.
Big.
You're the toe, yeah.
Oh,
you got no belt, bro. I got a belt.
Yeah, true that.
It's 4th of July weekend, guys. Man, there's so much that's happening. I haven't explained none of it yet. So you guys are probably just like, what the heck is this going on in this video? But I will tell you this. When we get back to camp, I'm going to show you the Pro R that I supercharged over the week, last week, and we got it up here. And so far, she's doing good. No major issues. At least hope it stays that way. And I guess it's time to tow Ashley back to camp.
Why is the temperature climbing up when we're off the throttle?
You're not spinning the water pump as fast. You're fine, bro. You're good. Trust me. He's driving.
I'm gonna start heading.
Yeah. No, follow me. Stay with me.
I'll save you another trip.
I know what you guys are thinking. You're thinking that I literally haven't left Choke yet, but you're wrong. I've gone all the way back because Steve lost whatever, and then I had to come back and rescue him. And then we got Ben and Travis. They came out of nowhere. Ben from Dune Hub. He changed the color of his car. That looks really sick.
Spanish fly, baby.
Oh, you hear that? That's better than the North American fly, I've heard. We're gonna get back to camp, guys. Back at camp, guys. What a day. What a day it is. I was gonna tell you a story about that guy, that kid back there, and then I got sidetracked going to rescue Steve. But we're back, everything's good. Most people just chilling. It's like 98 degrees. Oh, you don't wanna be on camera? You camera shy? You post all those pictures on Instagram, but you can't post a video? Jesus. These people. Got you. Got Ashley and Dave here. We're just roaming around. Look at your little speaker. What you doing?
Hello, doggy.
What are you up to?
Just filled up the cars and all loaded up, ready for tonight.
What happens tonight, you ask? I don't know. But it's the 3rd of July, which means we're going into the 4th of July. Got the green machine over there. We got Josh's car. If you see this car this weekend and you're here, guys, no, this is not Sean. We're actually taking this car back, we're ripping this wrap off, and it's getting painted. We're gonna make her look pretty, like Lucille. So anyways, had a little leaky leak down here. They got it all fixed up. White Jerome came out of nowhere and he brought his little power washer, got it all cleaned up so we can figure out if it's leaking anymore. Thoughts? Say something to the camera.
So this guy got lucky. He only blew a little line. I blew the whole entire line off. Mine dropped all the fluid out. But my man Jonathan came back to camp, got me 2 more gallons of antifreeze, and got me back home from Choke. We're off to rip.
That's right. That's right. He's good on the camera, guys. He's better than I am. Look at White Jerome over here. He always comes out of nowhere. He's always out of nowhere wearing an All Dread Production shirt saying that.
Yeah.
Whoopsie.
Gotta represent the boys a little bit. Had a good time when they was out here, I did believe. Yeah.
So he brought his little power washer over, this freaking awesome power washer.
We're gonna go right now.
You need to put a link in your bio or whatever.
Yeah, I'm gonna put a link in my bio for this, like he said.
It looks like a team deal, dude.
It really
money in no
does.
time, you know?
But it's got different settings on it, so you can make it stronger. I mean, it's not like the strongest thing in the world, but for stuff like this where you're just trying to wash the car off, I mean, it's great. It works great.
We're gonna go do mine next.
Are we?
Yeah.
I think you need more than that.
I know.
Josh is over here. He's about to put some burgers on the grill.
Yeah.
Are you excited? Don't be camera shy. Do that. Does it clean it?
Yeah, dude, it cleans it good.
Oh, okay.
Really good.
What?
You put water on it.
Water? Yeah. I used to use my Blackstone all the time, but now I just use my smoker a lot.
You're smart.
Now it's got a little torque to her.
Oh, my camera's dirty.
See, he can wheelie anything.
He really can.
Choke. Had to clear some storage out of the camera. Got a freaking Ford Raptor Ranger. This dude's just mobbing up Choke Cherry. He's been having a blast, man. What a beautiful day it's been. The temperature's starting to cool down. We're gonna go for a rip. We got our buddy Chance. He's gonna lead us going back, and we're just gonna go have a good time.
Somebody blew a bell, but we made it over here to Devil's, and if you've never seen Devil's Dune before or new to the channel, this is Devil's Dune. Thing is massive. When we were in the helicopter, I think it was what, like 400 feet elevation? Yeah, something crazy. 400 feet elevation. That's wild. So look at the car. You bear it like, for just a perspective of size. There goes Tiggs cresting. Look how huge.
The sky burns gold on the ridge tonight. We pack our laughs in the firelight. Bare feet tracing the cooling sand. One by one, we take it. We left our names by the waterline. Follow shadows that fell in the crooked line. Your shoes in your hand, mine filled with dust. Hearts up high in the wind on us. The dunes lean back like they knew the plan. We ran past the edge where the soft hills stand, and the air got loud and
guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I know there wasn't a lot of crazy action going on, but man, if you were there for 4th of July weekend, it was hot. We were all overheating. It was just not overheating per se, but I was getting into the 220s. Not a happy place to be on any machine. The sun, it's hot. You're in the sand, you're working hard. I just wanted to end this video, and I kind of did want to share the story of this kid that we never really got on film because people were overheating. Steve lost all of his coolant. His hose popped off the engine block, and it pissed fluid everywhere. It was just terrible. But in the midst of this, we met this cool kid from Germany, and Kim, one of our buddies that we've known for a couple of years now, she was coming out, I want to say from South Dakota. She picked this random hitchhiker off the road, and he was from Germany, and he just was trying to hitchhike across the country, and just to see the whole country on a budget. And he was super nice guy, just really, really, really cool kid. And the fact that Kim picked him up, Kim is in her 60s. She's a widow. She's just trying to live out the rest of her life in the best way she can. And she's just having a blast doing it. But the fact that Kim stopped, picked up this guy from Germany who was backpacking across the country and brought him to St. Anthony's it just blows my mind. It is one of the coolest stories ever. And fun fact about me, I actually backpacked across the other side of the world in my 20s, and I used to travel a whole bunch solo by myself, living out of hostels and doing all kinds of crazy stuff. I've been everywhere. Before I ever met Krista, I was just by myself traveling, and I loved to just travel. So I shared that commonality with him, and I just thought it was really, really, really rad that he was just out there living his life and just traveling. So that's my positive message of the day, guys. If you've been in the same place forever, leave. Stop cheating yourself out of all of the really cool things in the world. I'm lucky enough to have been all over the world. My wife and I have traveled to Costa Rica, Mexico, and we plan on doing more traveling. We've been to Bahamas and all that other stuff too, but travel, guys. That's my positive message. Stop sitting in the same place. Stop staying idle. Stop being content with what you have and actually go out and explore. So kudos to you, Mr. Germany. His name, I think, actually was Jonathan as well. I think it was, now that I think about it. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I know this is just a simple video. We got an awesome 4th of July video coming up on Wednesday, and I'm still recording, still making things happen. And yeah, so I'm gonna finish editing this, upload it, so you guys can watch it in the morning, and you guys have a great morning, day, or night, whenever you watch this, and we will see you on Wednesday.